Welcome back. Continuing the theme of Halloween, I want to touch on sound design. One of my favorite and simplest effects to introduce some tension is as follows. I have a slightly creepy looking scene, but I want to crank the tension a little. What I can do is download a bell sound. Place this on your timeline, then go to the inspector. Under the speed change function you will find a reverse symbol. Click this icon. This won't change the speed of the audio playback, it will just completely reverse the audio. Now when you play back you will hear the decay of the sound of the bell actually gradually get louder to the crescendo of when the bell is struck. You can adjust the audio volume as required too. Line this up appropriately with your scene and it can really add some tension. Hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe.